Whether by design or desire, Brazilian aerospace company Embraer is slowly but surely building interest in its new generation turboprop passenger aircraft. The plane maker's latest teaser takes the form of a video presentation, which has now been published on YouTube. The world is demanding much more from commercial aviation than ever. Not long ago, it was all about designing bigger aircraft, building huge airports and funneling traffic through mega hubs, whether in Dubai, Singapore, London or Atlanta. Today, pressure is coming from all sides for aviation to clean up its act, with some European governments even banning short-haul flights if a train is available. Embraer's answer to this pressure has been to develop a new generation turboprop. In its 2022 market outlook, Embraer forecasts the need for 10,950 new aircraft with up to 150 seats over the next 20 years. The replacement of aging aircraft will account for 57% of all new deliveries, while 43% will be used to grow markets. Embraer believes there will be a trend towards smaller aircraft, driven by an increasing need for flexibility, connectivity, and efficiency. The push for more sustainability will accelerate the transition to decarbonisation, which will be achieved through new generation aircraft, propulsion systems, and fuel sources. Of the demand for nearly 11,000 new aircraft, Embraer says 2,280, or 21%, will be turboprops. At its 2022 Media Day event, Embraer Commercial Aviation President and CEO Arjan Meyer said the new aircraft is, quote, not a turboprop as we know it. From what Simple Flying learned and saw at the event, the new aircraft is more of an E-Jet E2 aircraft with a different form of propulsion. Named in the interim as TPNG, Turboprop Next Generation, the aircraft will have the same cabin experience as on the E2. Meanwhile, moving the engines to the rear, Embraer hopes to offer passengers a much quieter cabin. The aircraft will come in two versions, a 50 and a 90-seat version that Meyer said will bring disruptive economics to the turboprop sector. For example, he said the TP90 will have up to 15% lower operating costs, 25% more seats, reduced fuel burn, and be 20% faster than existing turboprops. Without much fanfare, Embraer is currently working with several engine manufacturers to find the most effective power plant for the TPNG. As with almost all aspects of the project, Embraer keeps specifics to itself, but said it should make the engine decision this year. It completed wind tunnel testing of prototype propeller systems in March and will run complete wind tunnel testing this year. Concurrently, the business case is being developed, along with discussions with various airlines in the search for a launch customer. The overall plan is to have that preparatory work completed and a decision made on launching the TPNG announced by early to mid-2023. If it decides to go ahead with the new aircraft, Embraer says it will begin the detailed design, manufacturing and certification work with a likely entry into service in early 2028. Will a new generation turboprop with a modern cabin be a success? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.